Hello, dear friends and teacher. I am Helber Castro Garcia. I am Colombian. I am from Bogota. I am payroll analyst. I live in the city of Soacha, Cundinamarca. I speak Spanish. I am 37 years old. I like to play basketball and ride a bike. I really to watch sports in general. I am currently studying industrial engineering. My apartment is located in the Indumil Road. My activities in a typical day, I wake up 4 o'clock, take a shower. In the morning, I begin to work the 6 o'clock and finish 16 o'clock. I usually have breakfast at 9:10 a.m. I have lunch at 12 noon. I come home about 7 o'clock and study until 22 or more. Thanks.